Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix your device isn't compatible with this version Android. So let's start. So first let's go to our Play Store and then let's press this button and then let's go to App Info. Here on App Info, what you have to do is force it stop here and just press OK, and then you have to clear all data. So just clear all data and just clear everything. In that way your Google Play Store will be refreshed completely. You have to start logging in your account once again, and then you can start using it without any problem and start installing apps that probably have this problem. So you can go to the app that you have the problem here and then just click here on install and then install the app. Probably with this will fix it. So guys, I hope this worked for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.